Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to freeze frame in Capcut. So first of all here, just need to select the video that we're going to use. So right here, if you play this one, now if you want to freeze any part of the video, all you need to do is click the freeze icon right here. So basically, for example, if you want to freeze on this part, so we're going to click this freeze icon, as you can see. So click on this one and it will automatically freeze your video right from here. So basically, if you need to add some effects, for example, we need to find some effects here. Now for example, this snow mint, and we're going to drag and drop to the part of that freeze frame, and there you go. So if you go into play, so this will be the result. So that's all. That's how you basically freeze frame in Capcut. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.